This is called Mark. Mark upset. Y'all watch this. I don't know what's going on right now. Let's see.
Let me peek come creeping.
My eyes is red. My eyes is red.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
Get me on the cam.
Got
You
on
know,
the cam.
P under the weather right now, but he over the weather. It's still good, though, man.
Yeah.
Slow weather, but it's still money made weather, man.
That's how we do it, man. I like that. Yeah. Oh, what's up, man? My boy right
Man,
there.
what's happening, man? You know, your boy Mello, man. What's right?
Yeah.
BMT?
That's it right there, man.
Yeah.
Y'all, last 2 minutes left on this thing, so I'm gonna knock it out real quick. Everybody right here, man. We're gonna knock this whole thing out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This the before money team, man.
Yeah. Hey, so
More money, more money.
50 cent arms, man.
Man.
50
More
cent.
money, more money, man.
Are you doing 50 cent arms? Or a dollar? He said, them the Dollar Generals.
Tell me what happened, Mark. Tell me what happened.
Oh, man, I don't want to discuss.
Oh.
No
What happened?
discussion, man. No
Too
comment.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but we do know what happened. It's just to let you know.
Yeah,
timing.
I was knocked out. You see, I read my eyes, man. Oh, I think I smoked weed.
Oh, man.
No, dude, you know.
Hey, whoop that man.